There you go. See how easy and fun it is to keep your kids hydrated with Viva Life. So staying healthy and energized has never been this exciting. And speaking of energy, we have someone very special joining us here on stage. Are you ready to get to know them? Yes? Do you want to get to know our special guest? Are you excited? All right, let's give it a big round of applause. Please welcome the official Viva Live mascot. Hello, V. V is full of energy and full of electrolytes. All right, there you go. Come on, V, please join me here in the middle so that we can all see you. All right, let's go. Yay! Woo-hoo! This is the official Viva Life mascot. And of course, our next guest is someone many of us have looked up to, not just as a host and personality, but as a hands-on mom who truly understands what it takes to care for her family's health. Please join me in welcoming the beautiful, energetic, and inspiring mom, Iya Melania, our Viva Life brand ambassador. Good morning, everybody. Kailangan high energy. Kailangan Good morning, V. Good morning, yes. Good morning, everyone, to all our visa officers, members, pharmacists, drugstore owners, and sales clerks. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Fire away! So very wholesome and fun and energetic ang ating gagawing fast talk. So, let's start with a few questions. Fast talk tayo, so may timer tayo dito. As quick as you can, Miss Iya, you will answer our questions. Okay, okay? Are you guys ready? Yes! Yes. We're ready? I'm ready. We're ready. Okay, questions are ready as well. So here we go, Miss Iya. Go. Morning or evening workout? Morning. Okay, workout with kids or me time? Pwede pareho. Kasi with kids. Kasi sila mismo workout na eh. Actually. Be with them is already a workout. Seeing a mom is a workout. Okay, biggest challenge as an active mom? Ooh, time management? How do you even do that? Time management is a question I always ask myself. How do I do it? God's grace. Okay, after outdoor play, juice or Viva Life? Ay! Kailan mo ba i-memorize yan? Siyempre, Viva Life. Oo. Yung pupunta. No tayo sa juice, it's a no. No tayo sa proper hydration, may electrolytes. That is so right. And must have for busy days. Well, of course, proper hydration, Viva Life. Yes. So much for hydration and energy. Yes. And kids, favorite flavor, apple or orange? Apple. Hindi naman naging boss sa inyo. So, parating nauubos. Actually, pareho, hindi na rin sila choosy. But, if they do have a choice, they go for apple right away. But when orange is there, they're also very happy. Yung unang nauubos. Apple ang unang nauubos. Alright, and our last question is, why do moms trust Viva Life? Well, I really think that bukod sa, well, obviously, gusto ng mga bata. So it's easy to give them, and it's also the most recommended by Arapedia, by doctors. Oh, wow. Yeah, I think it's because the doctors know that because, it's a flavor that kids like, hindi mahirap yung mga magulang na magbigay ng electrolytes through Viva Life. Yes. Especially sa panahon natin ngayon, where the kids are so active, and then it's summer na. Summer na na. Yes. So they need all the more hydration that they could get. At saka ayaw natin as parents na nakikito yung fun nila. Dahil, wala natin, dehydrated na, matambay na sila. Ayaw na pagod na mo. Yes, pagod na. So gusto natin, tuloy-tuloy ang fun, kaya kailangan tuloy-tuloy din ang hydration. Yes, that is so right. So there you go. Of course, thank you so much, Miss Tia, for that fast talk that we had. Mas nakilala na rin namin ikaw, of course, as a mom and how you take care of your kids. So there you have it. Real mom life made easier with proper hydration. Yes, with proper hydration. Of course, and if there's one thing that we learned, staying active means staying energized. Yes, with staying hydrated. We have to always drink and remember that. I thought we were talking about like electrolytes. Yes. Oh, and again, also, no, let's remind everybody, whether it's adults,